Do you want to know the difference between a vet and a vet nurse? Then watch this video and hopefully at the end you'll understand that difference. By the way, check out the code in the description for 50% off your first webinar at Webinar Vet. Obviously, the vet and the vet nurse are very similar to the doctor and the nurse, both really important people in the medical setup. The vet is often making the diagnosis, and then the nurse is looking after all of the treatment. So it's so important that they work as a team. And in fact, the best partnerships in practice, you always have a very close relationship between the vet and the nurse. In veterinary practice, nurses will also do things like monitor anaesthetics, care for patients who are in the wards, and will look after drips, set drips up. Nurses can do some small procedures like stitching wounds, but most surgery is obviously done by the vets. Vet surgeons, the degree is often a 5-year degree. You can do veterinary nursing outside of university as part of a college of further education, but there are also degrees in veterinary nursing which usually last 3 years. So there are different ways of coming to the profession. As I say, some nurses will come through a further education college, but they can also go via the degree. Obviously, as a vet, you need to have done a degree, and there are several universities in the UK. There are obviously universities all over the world, and in fact some vets now, even if they're from Britain, where I'm from, they may travel to other countries, particularly in Europe, to do their degree. So Slovakia is a common place where vet students may go from England to train. There are several universities also for the veterinary nurse course as well. They're both really, really important jobs. One isn't more important than the other. We need to have vets and nurses to have the best possible results for your pets when they are poorly and need attention. But also the nurse has a preventative role in the practice. Often the nurse in good practices will be talking about nutrition, will be talking about worming, will be talking about flea and other ectoparasite treatments. And you can develop a really strong and close relationship with a nurse, maybe with a puppy. So we watch the diet and make sure that the puppy doesn't grow too fast and become fat during its year of development. So there's a real mixture of things that vets and nurses can do, which complement each other. And so whichever one you decide to do, I hope you have a really successful and enjoyable time in the profession. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you flick on the bell, you will get notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you're a member of the veterinary profession, please go to our websites, thewebinarvet.com, and also Wikivet, which is the veterinary encyclopedia, particularly useful for veterinary students. And do let us know if you have any comments on either site. Thank you. Bye-bye.